Did you know that most businesses optimize their marketing for page views, clicks, and opens, and just hope this turns into revenue? They have to do this because they can't actually track customer behavior all the way to lifetime revenue. SegMetrics can. SegMetrics tracks all of your customers across all of your platforms and throughout their entire customer lifecycle. This gives you an accurate, lifetime, single source of truth of what is and isn't working in your marketing. Instead of letting Google and Facebook optimize your ads for clicks, you can start optimizing for lifetime sales. Now you can start watching your return on ad spend go up. Instead of judging all your nurture emails based on questionable opens and clicks, you can easily see which drive the most lifetime sales. You can even compare channels, ads, segments, products, and more to see which tactics are earning you the most revenue or just wasting your time. With SegMetrics, you can take the guesswork out of growth. Learn more about lifetime attribution at segmetrics.io.